Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yudish Gumani. Well, today I'm going to talk a bit about our case study project that we had to do for the university. The main topic is inventory system. So, my topics is the use case diagram and the system design. First of all, I'm going to talk about the use case diagram, and I will concentrate on 5 main topics, namely the product data management, the product order management, how to manage suppliers, product analysis, and inventory management. So let's start. First of all, I will talk about the first topic, which is the product data management. So let's start. To start with, the product data management is dealing with the purchasing staff. With purchasing staff, I mean the product and the supplier which exist in the master database, meaning the products which are ready to be ordered. So for that, there are some procedures that we have to follow. The first procedure that we have to follow is that we have to select the products that we have to purchase. And secondly, we select the supplier, the name and the different suppliers that we want to order the products from. Then we enter the quantity of the products and accept the amount that we want to order. Then the procedure ends with, like, we submit the order, and it's just like a click of a button. In the second position, we have the product order management. In the order product management, similar to the product data management, the purchasing staff selects the main products that we have to order, and then we place our orders. And then, as we have already known who are the suppliers from whom we are going to purchase and put the orders from in the product data management, differently the order management, now we order the products. We have already selected the supplier, so we select the products and then we order the quantity, amount, as whatever you want to call it, and then the order is passed. And now the third aspect will be the manage supplier. In the manage supplier, here we have the task to manage who are our main suppliers, meaning that we have to have data concerning the suppliers and we save them, like for example their contact numbers, etc. and etc. in case we need them urgently for some urgent orders. So in the manage suppliers, we have the database is mainly concerned about the main data of the supplier, I mean. And it is very good to note that the data of the supplier should be updated most of the time, meaning the work of the managed supplier data is mainly to update the informations about the supplier. The fourth point is the product analysis. The product analysis, this part is done mainly by the warehouse employees, meaning that they have the task to see if ever the products are deregistered or there are some missing stocks or something like this. So it means they have to really know about what's going on in the warehouse. For example, if we see that the stock is under the minimum requirement that we need to have in our stock, so the purchase order should be put forward, so meaning that we have to fill in our stock. As we all know, without stock we don't have any sales, and without any sales we don't really have any profits. And now, last but not the least, I'm going to talk about the inventory management. The inventory management, warehouse employees have the task to display what is in our stock. And as we all know, at the end of every financial year, we have to do the inventory, meaning that we have to see if we really have the physical stock the same as on paper, meaning that if it really reflects what we have physically and on paper. So it means that the inventory management, we have to display how many stock we have physically and select the products that we have physically and show them that we have it really well here, meaning that if we don't have it, we have to purchase it. So this explains about my topic about the inventory system for my first part. Yeah, now let's come to the second part, meaning the technical documentation for implementation. In this section, we will see how we are going to make the whole thing work, meaning what are the hardware and software that we need to purchase, to order, to update, etc. and etc. Meaning that, for example, in the system architecture, as you can see in the figure here, we have the company must have some PCs connected to the web, and then we have the database. The database, as I just said, it consists of the data concerning our suppliers, our products, our everything that deals with the inventory system. And now I will talk about the hardware and the software that we need. The hardware is a normal PC with one PC user, and it should be connected on the server with minimum of 200 megabyte of hard disk with a 512 megabyte RAM. And as you can see in the sheet here, it is all these things are listed, and it is not really a hard or very expensive PC with high graphics that we need. If you read well about the hardware, we need only a normal PC that we can connect to the web and to have access to the database. And the software that we need is Oracle XE Databank 10.2, the Microsoft Internet Explorer 5.0 or higher, it doesn't mind, or we can also have the Firefox Explorer. But we really need the Oracle HTTP server in order to pass our orders, etc. So this comes to the end of about my discussion about the inventory system. I really hope that you have enjoyed it. For any further informations, please do not hesitate our my main group. Thank you. Bye bye.